Want to create a stunning PowerPoint slide that looks straight out of a professional design studio? In this video, I will show you step by step how I made this beautiful presentation in PowerPoint. And the best part, you can do it too. First, take a blank slide. Let's insert a picture. Go to Picture. Choose your image from your device. Now, go to Animation. Add Emphasis Animation. Grow and Shrink. And set custom size to 130%. Then hit enter. Go to timing, set duration to 10 seconds slow and click OK. Next, go to insert, shapes, rectangle, drag it to cover the entire slide. Then insert a curve shape and draw a stylish curve across the slide. Select both shapes, go to merge shape, intersect, set the fill color to white, remove its outline. Then go to Shape Effect, Shadow, reduce transparency slightly. Insert an oval shape, drag it, select white fill, remove outline and add inner shadow effect. Next, insert a rounder rectangle, drag it, set blue color fill, remove outline and add inner shadow. Add your logo inside the rounder rectangle. Go to Insert, Icons, select this, insert it and change its color with graphic fill. Insert your business slide text, a short description and a line to make it look professional. Now click on Slide Show and watch your slide come to life. And there you have it, a clean, modern and professional PowerPoint slide ready to impress anyone. With just a few simple shape, shadow and animation, your slides can look like they came from a design studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more PowerPoint hacks, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a tip. Also comment below with the type of slides you want me to create next.